In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo gallery to GoDaddy Website Builder if you want to showcase multiple images on your website in a clean and organized way. Adding a photo gallery is a great option. It works well for portfolios, business photos, product highlights, event images, or any visual content you want visitors to browse easily. I'll walk you through the process from opening your account all the way to uploading your images. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area and click on it. From there, select My Products. This section shows the products and services connected to your account, including your websites. Next, find the specific website you want to work on and click on it. Make sure you choose the correct site if you manage more than one. After opening the website settings, click Edit Website. This will take you into the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes directly to the page. Once you're in the editor, go to the page where you want the gallery to appear. On that page, click Add Section. This is where you can insert new content blocks into your site. When the section options appear, enter image in the search area or browse until you find the image-related sections. From the image options, click Image Gallery and then choose Photo Gallery. This will open the available gallery styles and layouts you can use. Take a moment to look through the layout options and choose the one that best fits your website design. Some layouts are better for a simple visual display, while others may be better if you want a more structured gallery look. Once you find the layout you want, click it to add it to your page. After the gallery has been added, click on the gallery section itself, then choose Change Image. This is the area where you can begin replacing the default images with your own. From here, add your image by uploading it into the gallery. Simply locate the image you want to add from your device and select it. As you upload images, it's a good idea to use clear, high-quality photos so your gallery looks professional and visually appealing. Also, make sure your images match the purpose of the page so everything feels consistent for your visitors. Once your images are in place, you can continue updating the gallery as needed inside the editor. And that's how to add a photo gallery to GoDaddy Website Builder.